If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After clicking the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, you can see the Lists heading with links for all lists, products and services, recurring transactions, attachments, and tags. Lists keep information about the items you enter into transaction forms. After adding an item to a list, you can use it repeatedly in transactions. Clicking the All Lists link opens a page containing links to many common lists, including the chart of accounts, recurring transactions, products and services, product categories, price rules, locations, custom form styles, payment methods, terms, classes, attachments, and tags. There is a description of each list under its title. Clicking the List link opens its related page. Note that clicking the other links under the Lists heading in the Settings buttons drop-down menu for products and services, recurring transactions, attachments, or tags directly opens the Related Lists page. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.